Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in, and in today's video I just want to do a quick unboxing for you guys, which I believe it won't take more than 5 minutes. If I skip some of the things that you want to know about, just ask me on the comment section below, and without a waste of time, let's jump into it. Today what I have for you guys is a Dell XPS 13-inch laptop, which I just want to do a quick unboxing for you guys, and I believe there's some features that we're going to touch when we're unboxing this, which I believe they'll be beneficial for you, and then when it comes to functionality as well. So starting here, I have with me the charger, which is a very light charger. It's easy for you to travel with, and then the good thing about it, it's just easy for you to detach, and then you can roll the cable alongside the brick, and then you can store it safely. So one rumor or something that I heard about this is that in future a charger like this is going to be able to store some juice, which means you'll be able to still use your charger even though it's not plugged into this or into the power socket, which means it will be serving as a power bank. You'll be able to draw some power from it and then charge your laptop on the go. I believe, well, that's something that most of you guys will like to use on your laptop. So yeah, let's jump into the notebook itself. The notebook is 13.3 inch, which is 4K Infinite Edge QLED display, which means it's like a quantum dot display, and it's a touch screen, and then it comes in with 16 gig memory. So this one actually specified the kind of specification that I want to see this one, because I think you're able to pick it up from 4 gig up until to 16 gig of RAM. So this one is 16 gig, and then it's Core i7 7th 8th generation, and then it features 512 SSD storage, and then as well as Windows 10 Pro. Yeah, I think that's pretty much about it. Oh, and another good thing is the graphics. The graphics are very good. Considering that this is the 4K display, then you really have to have good graphics. So this features like about 8 gig of graphics. So without any waste of time, let's jump into it and look at this box. So stylish. So let me check it out for you. What we find in here is, this is just paperwork, just the manual and showing a little bit of specification, and then I'm gonna put this aside. So this is the actual laptop itself. So I'm not sure if I'm very far from the camera, but I think I should come closer. So this is how the laptop looks, and it's silver in color, 13.3 inch, and it weighs about 1.2 kilograms, which for me I feel like is too much. Should be like about 800 to 900 grams. So let me just come close and show you how it looks. On the left hand side, this is how the laptop looks. So starting here, this is the power port, and then this is the Thunderbolt, and then USB 3 headphone jack, and then this is the reset button, and then this is the light indicators, and then there's a speaker on the side, and then as well as on this side. And then on the other hand, we have a USB 3.0, and then we have SD card slot, and then we have a laptop lock. And then on the front, this has two microphones. So there's a microphone on the left, and then as well as on the right. So at the back, there's no port, which means you're able to open it and then without any cable disturbing you. And this thing up, well, it's not so bad when it comes into the size. So the only downfall, some feature that I actually missed, is actually the infrared, the capacity for the ability for me to be able to use the face recognition as well as the fingerprint. So it doesn't have that feature, but however, I still have a 720p HD camera that I can use just for video conferencing. But this thing is very slick. This is how it looks on the keyboard. So I'm not going to show you all the sides because the light is going to reflect on it. So but this is actually how it looks on the slick. And then the camera is actually situated right here at the bottom instead of it being here, because it's edge to edge. So there's actually not enough space on these edges to actually put in the camera. So that's it about this machine, guys. So something that I want to show you, so because this is a 4K machine, one thing just for me to educate you or to share with you is, if you're actually watching a 4K video, so let's say you're watching a 4K video on YouTube, you have to scale it up to 4K or to whatever resolution is higher than probably maybe 1080p, so that you can watch that the video in that resolution. Which means if your machine covers 4K, you will actually get the full benefit of a 4K if you are using this machine. So, but one thing that you have to note, especially in South Africa, because data is very expensive. So what you have to do is, if you're watching a 4K video, so what will be happening on the background is you'll be using about 8 to 10 meg per second, which means that will be taken from your data. So if you're using your own data watching a 4K video, 8 meg per second, that's what you're going to be losing. So just be careful when it comes to that. But I really recommend, if you are on a free Wi-Fi or unlimited or uncapped, you'll be able to use and watch a 4K video. So that's it about this machine, guys. If there's anything that you want to know, drop me on the comment section below and I'll make sure that I respond to you if you want to know anything at all. And the price for this thing, I don't know, it's cost 25,000 rand to buy this machine alone. So if you want to buy it, I'll drop it the details on the comment section below so that you can see, or on the description section below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.